Energy, power, prosperity. You don't know we do it on an Living Mini Mark channel all the time. Progress. Slow motion better than no motion. We getting the job done. This tomato I done pick. You know? Yeah. Natural living. So the little money what me go in the market and buy the tomato here, so you know, you can put aside the money and start another little business, but put it as a savings right now. Yeah, cause I now coming up all the tomato don't pick off of the tree. Yeah. Got a little heap right there, as you can see between the cane there. We got another little heap right here. We just put there. Yeah. And we got another little heap right there too, right? So we just see what find more what we could get and keep it up nice, right? Power. All the time. Yeah. I got 10 and 1 and 2 Oko, right? But not no big portion I could sell, but what could be in a sip all the time, you know what I mean? Yeah. See 2 portion on the ground here, sir. You know? What they say? She look like she ready because she still got a thing on it. But I want to pick it, you know? You see what's going on? I pick it one because I don't know. I get power up, I got no cucumber there. I'll show you the next one here, sir. You need this one for another day. Then we move bigger. So we get one and we have one, right? That I see. I thought this was a sweet pepper, but this is not sweet pepper now, this is a hot pepper. The pepper hot bad, boy. Alright. We producing, but I left that one. And use the seed for plant. After watch what I get in the blossom. Right? Blossom. I get in stacks, man. Patient. Kaya upon another segment. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. And I don't pick 3 pumpkin. Power. Energy. That kaya upon the next shots. Oh, we got some lime and some passion. We're going to pick it up. I just pick some lime. And I see 2 passion. I just put with it. You don't know the thing set, right? Energy, power, prosperity to the world. This is what we get to plant our own food, and you know we can exchange and live healthy and powerful. Subscribe to this channel if you love these videos that I be putting up, my own stacks, energy, power. Okay, this is what we're doing. We're putting everything in the bucket and get it out to the farm. We're gonna wash it and get it on a stand, and we're gonna get some on my kitchen table so I can get my food cooking. Okay. Your fine pepper, oko, lime, cucumber, you know. Once you are new, come to this channel and you are watching this video, please subscribe. You must subscribe. This is Honest Living Mini Mark channel. Chinese best. Take your time and let me get the job done. Right now, when they see this here, number one, if it's an old bucket of cucumber, tomato, but in an old bucket of tomato, it's half bucket. As you can see, half was the little fine lime and so. But you see the bucket over full. See over there? You still got a little more tomato. You just get take your time. See what more we got for pick. The place late, but you don't know. Up. So this is Honest Mini Mark channel. You're well known. Please give a subscribe to this channel once you are watching this video. Thank you a lot for watching out this video to the end. Thank you and goodbye.